Hello, second grade family. One thing we always do in our classroom in second grade is we talk about how we're all a family. And now this is a unique situation because now we will be a family in a different way, and that'll involve actual families as well. So we are BGS strong, we are second grade strong, and we are a family. Okay, this is kind of a weird time that we're in. So another key word throughout this time is grace. There will be mistakes. I will make some mistakes, but we will get through them. This is the first time any of us have ever been through this. So we will give each other grace. And I also want to say that I have been blown away by the emails you guys have sent me and the private messages and the comments that you guys have given me. You guys have been so supportive, and I appreciate that. And I've also, when I made phone calls to you guys, I was also just amazed by how relaxed you guys sounded. And I don't think that's been the case in all classrooms. So it sounds like you guys are doing great, and I appreciate that. Once again, if any of you needs any help with anything, give me a call or text. You'll be getting your stuff tomorrow, and I just want you guys to be clear. The things that our second grade team are wanting to work on are math facts, regrouping. So the kids, I'll have them do another regrouping presentation, but this time with subtraction instead of addition. Okay, and if you don't have books, there is a site called Tumble Books that has free books, and I'll show you that. And we also will keep doing foundations as well. So I will make recordings of foundations. Okay, and also one of the most important things for you guys will be to make a schedule. That will be very key, and I'll make a video about that too. And so I have a question for you guys. I would like to keep reading from Because of Winn-Dixie. That's the read aloud book we've been doing. And I'm wondering what would be a good time to do a live video for that so that your students can tune into me reading live. And if that doesn't work, I can record it. I just will have to figure out how. So anyway, remember family, remember grace, and remember that I love you. I love your kids, and we're going to get through this together. And I'm actually really excited about this new way of teaching. Thank you.